The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models, which Apple unveiled earlier this month, have very small bezels that are even thinner than those of the previous iterations and Samsung's Galaxy S24 series. Although Samsung has received a lot of criticism as a result, don't just write them off just yet. Apple's most recent products will be eclipsed by the incoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will have bezels that are 0.2 mm thinner than the Galaxy S24 Ultra, making it even more streamlined than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, according to Univers on X. But it gets deeper than that. A fresh render of the Galaxy S25 Ultra was also released by The Insider, and it resembles earlier leaks of the device, which showed a display with rounded corners similar to those of its predecessor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a 6.9-inch display, just like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, but its bezels should be thinner, making it seem shorter and narrower, making it simpler to handle. Moreover, Ice Universe has noted that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera rings are 2.4 mm thick, which is substantially thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 4.3 mm deep camera bump. Considering the ongoing competition between the Galaxy S series and iPhones, we can anticipate that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's rear camera performance will be comparable to that of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. However, the thinner camera rings are rather stunning, and it just goes to show that, in terms of hardware design and packaging, Samsung is well ahead of Apple. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has a profile of just 8.2 mm, making it 0.4 mm slimmer and 0.1 mm thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, according to the purported photos of the device that surfaced earlier this month. Samsung's forthcoming flagship has a more streamlined look, which might be partly attributed to those slimmer camera rings. The S25 Ultra feels, in hand, like a somewhat squared-off and bigger version of the S25 Plus, according to Ice Universe. Using his more accurate CAD render, which includes some previously disclosed details, he even hinted that the future S25 Plus would not stand out all that much. Overall, it seems that Samsung is placing a lot of emphasis on the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, making it a noticeable improvement over its predecessor and giving it a more compact and appealing appearance in comparison to its rivals. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.